Hey guys, I'm always looking for a midweek meal, something I can do up fast and easy. So I decided to do this yummy creamy coconut chicken. And it came out absolutely incredible. 25-30 minutes, it's done. It's on the table. So fast, so easy, and so delicious. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing I want to do, guys, is add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. And I'd say about a tablespoon. Now we're going to add in half a small chopped onion. 4 cloves of garlic. Gotta have my garlic. A thumb-sized ginger. A teaspoon of hot pepper flakes just for that wonderful heat. A tablespoon of smoked paprika. Now if you don't have smoked, you can use the regular. I just like the smoked. Now we'll just give this a stir around till that seasoning activates and we get a nice aroma in the air. And of course you can use other seasoning too, you know, the seasoning of your choice, but this is great for me. I can't stress enough again, it smells so spectacular when that onion and garlic and ginger are sauteing up. After about 2 or 3 minutes, in with 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cubed up. And of course I'm going to salt and pepper this to taste. Now we're just going to fry this up until, you know, it's no longer pink and cooked through. Now you don't have to use breasts, you can use thighs as well. Now our chicken is no longer pink. In with a chopped tomato. And you want a fresh tomato. And we'll stir and let our tomato cook down for a minute or two. Again, we are smelling good. And I should mention too, guys, we've got a ton of chicken recipes, but one that really comes to mind is the paprika chicken. It is so good, so I'll put a link below, or above too, and you can just check that out if you want something else to make. After our tomatoes have cooked down, we're going in with 400 milliliters of coconut milk. And this is unsweetened. This is about, you know, a medium-sized can. Okay, we brought this to a boil over medium-high heat, and I'm just going to kind of stir it up a bit. I just love that redness in there from the paprika. And I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer away for 10 minutes or so. After about 10 minutes, guys, oh, just look at this. Looks absolutely incredible. Creamy coconut chicken. So fast and so easy. Okay, let's go ahead and scoop some of this gorgeous stuff up, guys. Into our serving bowl. Spectacular. And of course, some of that beautifully gorgeous, delicious sauce over the top. And of course, we'll garnish this up with some green onions. Oh my goodness, this is so good. And there you have it, my friends, our simple, easy, and incredibly delicious 30-minute creamy coconut chicken. You gotta make this. Now let's grab some of this up. Of course, you gotta get those juices in there too, along with the chicken. And just look at this. And just look at this, guys. Doesn't it look simply incredible? So good. The chicken is tender. That creaminess of the coconut milk. The seasoning, the ginger really tops it off. And the heat from the pepper flakes. You got to make this so good. Like I say, simple, easy, and fast. Of course, I'm going to have more. So good.